put a speed limit. These are not new lenses. They are not new lenses. I'm telling you that. Not new lenses. I'm telling the rock people all why. We're not rock there.
You have a great day, man.
You're not telling them, watch me out.
Got the last 2 tires. Fuck it. Make room for this shit. Yeah, I don't think this one will fit in there. All right. All right, I got everything in here. My cold air intake, my tuner, throttle bodies in here, both tires. Man, what a day. Fucking got gum on my paint. Smells like bad breath. Shit, man. 90 degrees, it's supposed to be 98 later today, so. So I can get on it. Easy. I don't even need to put pressure on it. Small parts off for this. I have to throw this towel away. Not to step on no dog shit. I had gum on my paint. Yeah, real easy. Yeah. So again, got the car loaded, everything ready to go. Got my tires, got everything to do my tune, I think, right? Yeah, I got everything. Throttle body check. Tune my VMP, check. Cold air intake, check. Gum off the paint, check. So I have a little bit of other random errands to do. And I gotta go to Four Eyes, see what they can do with my glasses, because my glasses got fucked up when I went to Sawgrass Malls, one of them damn kiosks. I was walking by, the freaking lady just took my glasses off of me. I was like, what the fuck? I almost hit her because I thought somebody was fucking with me. She's like, oh, your glasses are dirty. Look, look, look. And she started spraying the shit on there. Cleaned the hell out of my glasses. I was hooked. I was like, oh, okay, that's dope. I paid $10 for the bottle. And it like ate at the film of my glasses. And it slowly just kept eating away at it. So I have to see like if that's a quick fix or I gotta get new glasses. Because it's like day by day, it just gets worse and worse. And after that, my tags are expired. I'm real lazy when it comes to my tag situation. Almost every year I I drive on average about 3 weeks on expired tag. But since I had this car, I've been like really behaved and not doing that. So anyways, I'm gonna get my tags done. Then we're gonna slap these tires on here. And then I'm gonna head over to my boy Eric's house, who has an Infiniti G30, G50, Red Sport. Yeah, there we go. He just installed intakes in his car. So we're gonna put this together, get through the tune, and I think we might race. Oh shit, I didn't bring my charger. Well, the GoPro won't see that. The GoPro won't be able to see this. But I got a secondary one here.
Want the lenses? All right. So you know things don't have tricks that, no words are tricks that. You hear me tell you? Because they can't fool me.
This company is too big to try to give you your old lenses. I'm sorry. Was it the same prescription, your old lenses, or the new prescription?
It's just a little bit different. I didn't even think that was enough. It was a little bit different.
If I check that with the new prescription and it's the same, you're gonna say the old lenses?
I don't, look here, I want to get back the old lenses. I should have gotten it before I walk out here. And when I reach home, I said, no, I don't even have breakfast yet. I said, I'm gonna run back because you're supposed to give me my lens, because that's what she told me also.
Okay, she told you that you should have the lenses.
Worries are problem from anyone here. I came here and I'm not, I didn't come to beg or anything, you know. This year I park up the car and that was it. I need my lenses. That's all I need. I mean, I come back here tomorrow. What time up tomorrow?
That's a really good thing.
She come to the 11th.
Like a really good, yeah.
Because it's like making them stop, pause.
Yeah.
You put a wipe and you put a straight. This Ross said, these are not new lenses. They are not new lenses. I'm telling you that. It's not new lenses. I'm telling the rough people, why? We're not rough today.
You have a great day, man.
You're not telling them, watch me out.
Well, fuck it. I got contacts instead. They couldn't save my glasses. I don't know if you guys can see the freaking film is like eating away at it. So next week I'm gonna get lenses. And good thing my insurance was good because I only paid $10 copay. Alright, so now next is to go get my tags. Oh, I gotta stop at the bank and take cards. Which is great. My old plate expired, so they gave me a new plate. Crooked, I guess. I don't have the tools to put it on right now, so I have to go slap these tires on. So the plate that's on my car right now are null and void, so the chance of me getting pulled over is really high. And my black ass don't want to get pulled over at all, but may God be with me. Pray for me. And I'll see you guys at the shop. This fucking heat is ungodly. Oh my God. Ugh. Yo, it is so fucking hot. It is too hot out here. It is hot, 96 degrees outside. Alright, so I'm moving this underneath the shed. Which I don't blame them. It is too damn hot. Wow. It feels like the sun is a lot more fucking hotter. Your ass, bitch. plans. Alright, there's been a change of plans. Friend Eric is selling Point St. Lucie. That's like an hour and a half away from where we at right now. So I'm gonna install all this stuff at my place. Tires are in. Tires are in, ready to go. It's fucking hot. It's hot enough to make me not want to do this shit, but it's hot enough to make me not want to do this, but I already put the box in the car. It's going to get done. Now there's no crazy Floridian driver do some crazy stuff right now. I'm good. I'll see y'all there. Oh shit. It says C manual.